Hi everyone! You all know how important breakfast is in our daily life. So today, I will share about how to make an egg cheese sandwich for our breakfast. So first of all, we prepare the necessary items, which are 2 slices of bread, an egg, a tomato, a piece of cheese, chili sauce, cutting board, knife, plate and frying pan. Well, it's not organized as I said, but those are the things. Then we heat the pan over medium heat and add some cooking oil. We can also use butter. After a few seconds, crack the egg into the pan and add 1 slice of bread onto it. Then we flip them and add the main event, which is the cheese. Top it with another slice of bread and flip them again. Leave it until it is crispy enough. After that, we put our sandwich on a plate and we cut a mini tomato and put it on our sandwich. We can also top our sandwich with any toppings we want. Lastly, put back the other slice of bread and enjoy! By referring to my recipe, I believe it only costs around 2 to 3 Malaysian ringgit and we only need around 5 minutes to prepare it. It is also healthy enough for us. So we can always have our breakfast as our priorities so we can be more productive in our daily life. I think that's all from me. Give it a try guys. Bye!